Understanding Pumpkinhead in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the playful and sometimes humorous world of English expressions. Pumpkinhead might sound like a Halloween term, but it's actually a phrase used year-round. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Pumpkinhead is a light-hearted insult used to call someone clumsy or thoughtless. It can also refer to someone with a large or round head, similar to the shape of a pumpkin. It's important to note that while the term is not overly offensive, it should be used in a friendly and joking manner to avoid hurting someone's feelings. The phrase, pumpkinhead, has been around for a while and is believed to have originated from the way pumpkins are often carved with silly or goofy faces during Halloween. The term evokes a visual of someone with a silly or vacant expression, much like a carved pumpkin. Here are a few examples of how pumpkinhead can be used. In jest among friends, "Oh, you forgot your keys again?" You can be such a pumpkinhead sometimes. As a term of endearment, "Come here, you little pumpkinhead, and give me a hug." In popular culture, the character in the cartoon was a lovable pumpkinhead who always got into mischief. While pumpkinhead is generally not considered offensive, it's good practice to understand the cultural context. In some cultures, commenting on someone's intelligence or appearance, even in jest, can be considered impolite. Always ensure that the person you're speaking with understands the playful intent behind the phrase. That's all on the phrase, pumpkinhead. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the emotions and cultural nuances they convey. Use pumpkinhead with a smile and ensure it's always in good fun. Until next time, keep learning and enjoy using English in all its colorful expressions.